Hi everyone, I'm Shreya Singh from Team Yuvan Techie and our problem statement is AI-based smart allocation engine for PM internship. As we all know that the government has launched the various internship scheme for students in various sectors, but the problem is that the government is facing and challenges such as manual allocation, which is time taking, skill mismatch and etc. To overcome all this problem, we have created an AI-based smart engine allocation. Here you can also see that we do have a unique value propositions like AI with NLP, modular system for our website, and we also have a multi-language support for the convenience of an individual. Now moving towards the technical approach, the technologies which we have used are for front-end Next.js, React and TypeScript, for back-end Supabase, for SQL, PostgreSQL, for AI Python, random forest classifier for model training, random class of Python for data collection, one hot encoding, level encoding, scikit-learn library. Now, here you can see the flowchart. This is the user flow of work of our website. Now, moving towards the impact and benefits, our system has bridged skill gap. It also reduces the mismatches, is 3x faster allocation, and so on. So, this is all about our PPT. Now, let's move towards our prototype. So this is the landing page of our prototype. Here you can see various things like program impact, available programs, program gallery, and so on. Now moving towards the navigation bar, here you can see various icons such as about us, where we have mentioned about our missions and all, benefits, eligibility, and etc. Through support, you can track your application request or you can raise request. Now, as I already said that we have a multi-language support for our website. Here you can see we have total 5 languages: English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu. On clicking on Hindi, everything will be changed into Hindi language, as you can see here. Now, moving towards the login portal. While clicking on login portal, the login portal is divided into 3 categories, that is for job seeker, for company and for government department. But before this, we have to do a registration. So on clicking on youth registration, the student or a job seeker will register by providing the given details like account details, personal detail, educational detail. Here you can see the one have to also upload their resume, skill assessment and location preferences. Now, we also do have a registration portal for company and for government also. Like the company has to provide the given details for registration. Same goes with the government. They also have to provide the given details and have to register. Now, again moving to the login portal. Now, I am logging in as a job seeker since I had already had created a profile. So, I am logging to it. So after logging in as a job seeker, this will be the portal of a job seeker. Here in overview, they can see the total number of internships that they have applied for, total number of applications that are under review, and total number of offers that they have received. In available internship, they can see the total number of internships that are available according to their required skills and preferences after the approval of government. This I'll show you after some time. Now in my applications, they can see their application, and in profile, they can see their information, and through here they can edit the profile. Now logging in as a company, since I have already created, so I'm just logging in. So after logging in as a company, this will be the portal of a company. Here in overview, they can see the total number of internships that are active, total number of applications that they have received till now, and total number of interns that they have hired. In post internship, they can post the different internship by providing the given details. In manage internship, they can see the total number of internship that they have posted till yet. And in application, they can see all the applications here. Now, logging in as a government, here also I had already created a profile. So after logging in as a government, this will be the government portal. In overview, you can see they can see total number of interns that have applied for the scheme. So here you can see there are total 5 interns. Here there it will be displayed the total number of internships that are active, the total number of internships that have been completed by an intern, and the total number of companies that is partner till now. Now in intern management, you can see here there are total 5 interns that have applied for this scheme, and through actions here, through edit, the government can see the details of the candidate. Now In company partners, the government can see the total number of companies that have been participated in this scheme. In program progress, the company can see the participation, and the government can see the company participation, and also they can see the internship completion rate. Now moving towards the AI match. So this is the criteria of our AI matching, like skills, so 40% for CGPA, 10%, and so on. After clicking on start matching, the candidates with 70% or plus overall match will be displayed here. So after clicking on it, we can see that total 3 interns have been found or have been selected according to their skills and according to their CGPA, degree, or etc. Now, here I'll show you that here we have an approve icon. This is for the convenience of an individual. This can be done automatically also, but right now we have put an icon for the convenience. So after clicking on approve, the application allotment letter will be shown in the job seeker's profile. So I'll show you. So now here in available internship, the candidate can see the internship for which the government has approved. After the approval of government, as earlier you have seen that there was no internship available for the candidate, but after the approval of a government, the candidate can see the available internship, and after clicking on apply now, the company, the application will be submitted to the company's portal. Like I'll show you. Here in applications, the company now can see the application of the candidate who has applied for the given internship, and now further the company will take actions like they'll do interviews and all. Rest is all about company. So this was all about our prototype. As you can see that we have not only developed an AI based matching model, but also have created an integrated UI with AI, which is fully functional website which can be directly used by the government for their internship scheme. Hence, we can seamlessly deploy this. So this was all about our PPT, and this was all about our prototype. Thank you.